Have you ever noticed how some people always seem to have a religious answer for everything, quick, sharp, and certain, but lacking real empathy? That's Zophar in Job 11. He doesn't comfort Job, he rebukes him, insisting that his suffering must be punishment. Now here's the controversial part. Many still think the same way today. But what if suffering isn't always about guilt? What if those hard chapters in your life are shaping something deeper instead of condemning you? Stick with me, because Zophar's harsh words might just expose a hidden mistake many of us still make, and learning this could change how you read the Bible forever. Then, let's read the chapter together. Then Zophar the Naamathite replied, "Are all these words to go unanswered? Is this talker to be vindicated? Will your idle talk reduce others to silence? Will no one rebuke you when you mock? You say to God, 'My beliefs are flawless and I am pure in your sight.' Oh, how I wish that God would speak, that he would open his lips against you and disclose to you the secrets of wisdom, for true wisdom has two sides. Know this, God has even forgotten some of your sin. Can you fathom the mysteries of God? Can you probe the limits of the Almighty? They are higher than the heavens above. What can you do? They are deeper than the depths below. What can you know? Their measure is longer than the earth and wider than the sea. If he comes along and confines you in prison and convenes a court, who can oppose him? Surely he recognizes deceivers, and when he sees evil, does he not take note? But the witless can no more become wise than a wild donkey's colt can be born human. Yet if you devote your heart to him and stretch out your hands to him, if you put away the sin that is in your hand and allow no evil to dwell in your tent, then, free of fault, you will lift up your face, you will stand firm and without fear. You will surely forget your trouble, recalling it only as waters gone by. Life will be brighter than noonday, and darkness will become like morning. You will be secure, because there is hope. You will look about you and take your rest in safety. You will lie down, with no one to make you afraid, and many will court your favor. But the eyes of the wicked will fail, and escape will elude them. Their hope will become a dying gasp. Let's say a quick prayer to thank the Lord for his mercy. Father, thank you for opening our eyes through this study of Job 11. Thank you for showing us that your wisdom goes far beyond our understanding, and that your mercy is always present, even when life feels heavy. Lord, help us not to judge ourselves or others too quickly, but to trust your goodness in every chapter we face. Teach us to apply what we've learned today, asking honest questions, holding on to faith, and choosing mercy over harshness. Walk with us this week, reminding us that you are near and that we are never alone. Amen. So, let me ask you, how many times have you looked at your struggles and thought, maybe I deserve this? Or maybe you've judged someone else's pain too quickly, like Zophar did in Job 11. What if instead of jumping to blame, you chose to trust God's mercy in the middle of the storm? That shift in perspective could change not just how you read the Bible, but how you live through your own chapters of suffering. Here's the challenge. The next time life feels heavy, don't just explain it away with guilt or empty religion. Instead, pause, breathe, and ask, Lord, what are you building in me through this? Then act on it, whether that means journaling your prayers, reading faith-strengthening books, or surrounding yourself with people who will speak mercy, not condemnation. Small, intentional steps can anchor your faith when the waves rise. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you think suffering always has a reason, or can it sometimes just be part of a bigger picture we can't yet see? Drop your thoughts in the comments, I'd love to read them. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, so you won't miss the next study. Together, we'll keep uncovering truths that go deeper than surface answers. And, as always, don't forget to check the last video and learn more about the scriptures.